All right, here we are, day 2 of Hershey RV Show.
And we have an agenda.
Yes, we do. Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring.
We got a list of so many rigs that people want us to check out. So I wrote them all down and we're gonna go on a hunt for them today.
Yeah, we're gonna do our best. So hopefully we're able to deliver for a lot of you guys. Bear in mind, these are gonna be quick looks because we're doing daily posts here, but we are gonna do full tours of most of these rigs later. It's starting to fill up here in the dry camping area. Check this out. Day 2, the line is noticeably longer, everybody. I mean, noticeably longer. $500,000, aka $500,000. This is like the Playboy Mansion here with the music going and stuff, huh?
I can't take you anywhere.
You know this already. If you're taking a tumble, might as well take a tumble on a $500,000 rig, you know? Plus, it's nice and cool when you're waiting for medical emergency to come get you. I get it. I would do it too. Is it a steam shower?
No, almost.
Dang. 500 grand, come on. Sauna, steam shower, what's this?
A big fun.
This is so much more comfy than my seat.
Okay, so the other is a steel at 452.
This is a steel at 425.
Oh, 425.
Yeah, I got your back.
After taxes, I was factoring in taxes.
Got you. This one's got a nice chair lift here if you need a chair. Look at that. Easily accessible for handicapped personnel. You can just come right in. You don't have to step over anything. The commode is the same way. A lot of room to get in the bed. Very thoughtful. Nice open floor plan. So if you're in your chair, you can move the chair around. It makes maneuvering pretty easy. So they've got these taxis to take you all around if you want.
I want.
We're already looking for taxis.
I'm interested in buying a golf cart for our rig, so I need to test it out.
Let me test it out. There's Connor right there. Nomadic Fanatic. Hey Connor.
So today is senior day, so you do get discounted tickets for that. And
Military as well.
veterans, you get discounts as well. So.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Russ and Carrie here with the Roads We Roam, and we are especially blessed to have Paul here, the Air Force guy. He's going to give us a tour of nuCamp's new Avia. I know Carrie and I really love this unit, and I know nuCamp's really big on the unit right now.
Well, it could be yours today too, Russ. Keep that in mind. So anyway, so this is the new travel trailer, and I guess the first venture for nuCamp into travel trailers. And they've done a phenomenal job. Now there's some upgrades on this one versus the video that I did before, and I'll show those to you when we go inside.
Perfect.
Cool. All right, guys, we've got Colton here from nuCamp. He's going to answer a couple of questions that you all have been asking about the Barefoot. So Colton, a lot of people have asked us, is this still the UK prototype?
Yes, it is still the UK prototype. We actually plan on getting this into full production. We're shooting for spring of next year.
A lot of people are excited about this unit. It's really cool,
Yeah,
very
we are
beautiful.
too. Super excited. We're getting a ton of positive feedback, so we're really excited to see what happens in the spring with it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Cole. Appreciate it.
2445 and the 2075.
2440. You did some research. You knew about the two brand spanking new ones.
Phoenix Cruisers are always nice. How much is this rig here?
MSRP.
107.
Yep. 133 in this.
MSRP 133 on this.
Oh, I see what they did. This converts to your bed.
Nice full bath in here.
The AC here.
Oh yeah. Woo! That is wonderful. I'm just gonna stay here for the rest of the show.
Maybe, you want to take a look?
Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna check out Pleasureway bees here. I know a lot of you are interested in those, so let's give them a look-see here. Yeah, makes it feel a lot more open and roomy.
Wow. I do like this.
There you go. How do you like it now? This is a this is a little dedicated workstation. Look at that. Here,
It's your dinette.
over there. I mean, but you know, you could use this as a workstation.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh?
You're all jealous.
Oh, excuse me.
One moment.
Busy.
I like that one.
Yeah,
It's different.
this is nice. Got a little area here.
There you go.
Your workstation there.
Could work right there.
Unfortunately,
Extra kitchen.
this is gonna stay like that because I can't figure out how to get it down.
Lift it up.
Yeah, it's staying like that.
There we go.
Oh. One thing I will say is the ACs in these units are kicking. They're very nice.
Was the seat comfortable?
Sound bar there. Check this out, guys. Carries on a mission, dragging me into the 2020 Plateau XL TS.
Yeah, this is big. Look, both of these turn around. You have a little table here that you can bring up. I could like.
Oh yeah, it's a workstation.
And there's one there.
Ow. I bumped my head.
Dangers of these.
Oh yeah, there is a nice... You could have 4 people sitting over there. 2 people that you're not very friendly with, you can stick over here. You could have 4 friends and 2 meh.
Besides, they have a good sized fridge too.
Yeah. Ooh, I like the blue lighting in there. This has got to be the biggest bathroom I've seen in a Class B. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that bathroom in a Class B. Oh, is that crazy?
Aren't you glad I made you go in this one?
No, because now I want it.
You can buy it now.
Actually, not that bad. Very impressed with some of the room inside those bees, huh?
I told you.
Wow.
Oh, look at this one. It's got a raised up top. So you can walk around. We'll go to Airstream.
No, we'll go to the food trucks.
Go to food trucks. Airstream.
Gotta have priorities.
Food trucks. Airstream. Then we'll work our way back over here. How about that?
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna check out the Nest 16U. Hop in there, baby.
Okay.
Don't have to ask you twice, huh?
It's teal and white.
Yeah, it's got a good feel to it. I mean, I don't know if I'd want a full-time in this, but this is a nice
For a
weekend or a couple of weeks at a time, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Besides that, you've got the Airstream quality, you know?
I mean, the finish is incredible.
It is. Oh, bounce off your hat there. We bounced off of Carrie's hat. She's all right. I'll call medical later. Oh, here's the fridge. I like the way they stack the fridge, the microwave on top of each other.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, mood lighting. What's this? So we've got the bathroom over here.
Closet.
Oh, nice little storage area. So that was a very fun day at Hershey again. Would you agree?
We're getting a new rig.
No, we are not.
We're not getting a new rig.
Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you get a chance. If you want to see something that we didn't touch on today, yesterday, or the day before, because we're filming again tomorrow, let us know in the comments below and we'll try to get it for you. Talk to you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.